In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Opera browser. Keeping Opera current gives you the latest security patches, performance improvements, and features, and it usually takes less than a minute. Start by opening Opera. If you happen to be viewing this from another browser, simply switch over to Opera now so we can use its built-in updater. Once Opera is open, look toward the very top left of the window for the red Opera logo. Click that logo to open the main menu. On some systems, especially on a Mac, you'll find the Opera menu in the System menu bar at the top of the screen. It contains the same options. In the menu that appears, choose Update and Recovery. This opens Opera's Update page inside a new tab. Here, Opera can scan for new versions and handle the process for you. To manually trigger it, click Check for Update. Opera will immediately look for the latest available build for your device. If an update is available, you'll see a short download and install process. Just let it run. You can keep the browser open while it finishes. When it's done, Opera may ask to relaunch to complete the update. If you're already on the newest version, you'll see a message indicating the browser is up to date and there's nothing else you need to do. A couple of helpful notes as you go. A stable internet connection makes the check faster, and if you're working with many tabs, give Opera a moment to complete the install before heavy multitasking so it can replace background files smoothly. If the Updater tab doesn't appear right away, repeat the menu step and select Update and Recovery again to bring it forward. That's all there is to it. By using Opera's built-in Update and Recovery tool and the Check for Update button, you'll always be on the most secure, optimized version of the browser.